Hello, friends. Really happy to see all of you once again in the Mathematics Lovers Club. Hello, students. Today we are going to discuss about how to find the cube of a two-digit number. Now, suppose in a non-calculator paper, a question in which you want to find out 12 cube comes. So how are you going to do it? You don't have a calculator with you. So are you going to first multiply 12 by 12? That is 144. Then again multiply 144 by 12. No. That will take a long time. And in a competitive exams, we can't afford to waste so much time. So then what to do? Is there any other simpler way to do it or any technique? Yes, there is a technique which I'm going to discuss with you today. So I will show you how to find 12 cube using this technique. Now here I will take the first digit as say x and the second digit that is on the units place I will take it as say y. And I will take the ratio of the first digit to the second digit. That is the digit on tens place to digit on units place, and that will be 1 upon 2. Now, what I'll do is, I'll make 4 partitions here. So, in the partition, on the extreme right, I will write 2 cube, and that is 8. Then I'll multiply this 8 by the ratio 1 upon 2. That will be 4. Again, once more, I will multiply 4 by the ratio 1 upon 2. That is 2. And then again, one more time, multiply by 1 upon 2. That is 1. Now, 8 I am going to write as it is down here. Now, 4 here, double it. 4 2s are 8. And add it. 8 plus 4, 12. Then similarly, in the third partition, from the right side, do the same thing. 2, double it 4. 4 plus 2 is 6. And here there is 1. Okay, so in the second and the third partition, that is the partition second from the left and third from the left, I will double the numbers I am getting and I will add the two numbers. The original number and whatever I am getting by doubling, I am going to add. Okay. Now, keep it in mind that these are the digits and I can have only one digit in a partition at a time. So 8 here, I'll keep only 2 here, carry forward 1, 6 plus 1, 7, and in the last partition there is 1. So finally, I'm going to get 12 cube as 1728. So now obviously here I'm showing you, because I'm teaching you, I'm showing you each step in detail. So it takes a bit of long time. But if you have enough practice, within 2 seconds, you can find out the cube of the number. Okay. So let us just review this method. I will take the first digit on the tens place as x and second digit on the units place as y. I will take the ratio x upon y. So I'm going to make first of all 4 partitions. So in the fourth partition, that is the first partition on the right side, I will write the cube of the second digit, 2 cube 8, and then I'll repeatedly multiply 3 times by the ratio x upon y. And in the middle 2 partitions, whatever number I'm getting, I'm going to double them and add them. And then just keep 1 digit in 1 partition at a time, and that will give you the final answer. So now I will give one problem here. Try to do it, and one of you please come on the board and show your solution. So this is a problem for you, 42 cube. Now, since you are doing it for the first time, I'm giving you some time. Try to do it, and then I'll call you to solve it on the board. I think Raj is ready with the answer. So I'll call Raj on the board to show the steps. Yes, sir, I have done the problem. It's really interesting and very short technique. Now I'll show my steps on the board. Please tell me whether they are correct or not. So in this case, I'm taking x as 4 and y as 2. And then I'm taking the ratio x upon y as 4 upon 2. That is 2. And I'm making here 4 partitions. So in the first partition on the extreme right, I'm writing 2 cube, that is 8. And I'm multiplying 8 repeatedly by 2 3 times. So 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 2, 32. And 32 into 2, that is 64. In the middle 2 partitions, whatever number I'm getting, I'm doubling that. So 32 2s are 64 and 16 2s are 32. So I'm adding this 16 plus 32, 48. 32 plus 64, 96. And 64 here. Now, since these are the digits of the number, I'm going to keep only 1 digit in a partition at a time. So 8 here, 8 here. I'm carrying forward this 4. 96 plus 4 is 100. So 0 remains here. And 10 I'm carrying forward. So 64 plus 10 is 74. And hence, finally, I'm getting 42 cube at 7, 4, 0, 8, 8. 74,088. So, are my steps correct, sir? Please let me know. Very good, try again. Your answer is correct, as well as your all the steps are correct. I'm very happy about it. So let me give you a problem for practice. Obviously, I am giving you only 1 or 2 problems, but as I already told you, take your own numbers, make your own problems, and then at the end, you can check your answer on the calculator. So take this particular problem as a practice. So 23 cube and check whether you are getting 12167 and 62 cube. You should get 62 cube as 2, 3, 8, 3, 2, 8. 238,328. So try these problems. In the next class, I will come with some more techniques, interesting techniques that will surely help you. So see you soon. Enjoy the day ahead. Bye, friends. See you soon. Enjoy the day ahead.